In this video, we'll explain how to properly install a vent kit for our UltraFresh front-load dryers. The required tools are 1/4 inch socket and nut driver, 1/4 inch socket and wrench, duct tape or duct clamp, safety glasses, safety gloves. If you are venting your UltraFresh front-load dryer from the back, there is no need to change the exhaust duct. However, if you need to vent from the right side, the left side, or from the bottom, then you will need to install a vent kit. Before installing, disconnect the power to the dryer by unplugging the unit or turning off the circuit breaker. Start by removing the screws that secure the access panel on the dryer and set them aside for use later. Remove the access panel. Then detach and remove the desired knockout cover. This cover can be on the right, left, or bottom of the dryer. Note that the left and right orientation is in regards to looking at the front of the unit. Remove the screw that secures the dryer exhaust duct and set it aside for later. Pull the exhaust duct out of the dryer. The vent kit comes with 3 different exhaust ducts: a 9 1/2 inch duct, a 12 1/2 inch duct, a 15 1/2 inch duct, a new access panel, and an adhesive bracket. To vent from left, right, or bottom, use the 12 1/2 inch exhaust duct and the elbow duct. Assemble these 2 pieces together. Apply duct tape around the joint to eliminate leaks between ducts. Insert and connect the elbow exhaust duct assembly to the blower housing and turn the elbow for either left or right venting as needed. Now locate the bracket from the kit. Remove the adhesive liner from the bottom of the bracket and position it behind the elbow duct tab. Using the screw removed earlier, secure the elbow duct tab to the bracket. To vent to the left, locate the 15 1/2 inch exhaust duct from the kit. Insert the exhaust duct into the knockout opening on the left side of the dryer. Then connect the exhaust duct to the elbow duct and use duct tape to seal the joint. To vent to the right, locate the 9 1/2 inch exhaust duct from the kit. Insert the exhaust duct into the right side's knockout opening. Connect the exhaust duct to the elbow duct and seal the joint with duct tape. For bottom venting, remove the rear access panel and exhaust duct as previously shown. Detach and remove the bottom knockout. Locate the 12 1/2 inch exhaust duct and elbow duct from the kit and assemble together. Insert and connect the exhaust duct assembly with elbow to the blower housing and insert the elbow through the bottom knockout. After you have successfully installed the appropriate exhaust duct, install the new exhaust panel from the kit. Secure this panel with the screws from the original access panel, and you are done. Your dryer is now ready to be connected to the external exhaust duct. Remember to replace any existing plastic or metal foil duct with new UL-listed 4-inch diameter metal duct and remove any lint from the wall exhaust opening before connecting. For more information about our products, visit geappliances.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates and more.